This is Tanmay and you're watching Tech Footage. In this video, I'm showing about how to fix if you faces the problem that is in the processor section, that is virtualize engine, virtualize Intel BTX, EPT and virtualize CPU performance counters. If you click on OK and if you start the virtual machine, it gets the error that is VPMC Power on failed. I have already fixed this problem by through installing a application that is LD Player. LD Player is an Android emulator that is I think you can run the Android apps on it and you can virtualize the Android on your laptop or PC or computer. So if you wanna fix this problem VPMC Power on failed, and if you struggling the slowish and laggiest virtual machine experience on your VMware or VirtualBox, so you can install this application. This application can fix your VPMC Power on failed. That I have fixed it, that you can see it. Here you can see in my Windows 10 section it has virtualized Intel BT and I have ticked on, but before that I have to close this emulator. Then I am starting up this operating system. You can see it can fastly loading my operating system, that is Windows 10. So here you can fix on it on your computer or PC or laptop. Okay, so here you can see this is so smoothly experience that I am getting on this virtual machine after installing on my LD Player. Okay, here you can see no any lag has experiencing. Okay, there is fast experience. Okay, here you can see when you install the LD Player, it asks to restart your computer. Okay, so it will fix your problem and you can experience a good quality and good experience of virtual machine. So I hope you will like this video. Please like, share and subscribe with your friends that who are struggling the laggiest experience on the VMware workstation. So I am given the link on my description here, which you can download to your computer or PC, laptop, anything. So thanks for watching. We will meet you next video. Bye bye.